Welcome back to the channel. Today the road takes us to Disneyland, California. They just put up the tree this morning as I record this. So we're going to check in, see what kind of decorations they have up so far. Check out Disneyland. Again, if it's your first time, please like, please subscribe, please comment, all that fun stuff. Helps the channel grow. So let's go check out Disneyland as they first put up their decorations. There she is, the tree. So they have a lot of stuff up, nothing really lit. Got our wreaths up. Some boughs up. Boughs on City Hall. Bow, bow, bow. Okay, some of the boughs are lit, some of the boughs are not. I'm guessing they're still working on getting everything powered up. And of course, this is why we're here. The tree. It's a Monday as I record this, but tomorrow is a holiday, so it is packed. First look at the castle. Again, a lot of decorations up.
Yeah. So good.
There you go. So the castle is covered in decorations, but not really lit up yet. I think that's all going to happen on Friday. So, bye.
What you see there aesthetically.
I'm part of it.
Okay.
Yes.
Pero, but you have to be next to me, partner. I know.
Okay. Yes, right?
It's always so pretty over here. Frontierland. Okay. Everyone's house in Toontown is decorated for the holidays. Lovely to see. Minnie's house. Got Mickey here.
And then the customer.
Even the boat has some lights on it. Goofy's house. Sorry about that. Not Christmas lights, but still pretty.
Yes, cupcake. Yeah, hurry up. Cupcake.
So a short video, a really short video this week, but there we go. Thanks for watching. Again, please like, please subscribe, please follow, please comment, all that stuff. It really does help. We'll see you next time when we see where the road takes us. Oh, if you have an idea for a good Christmas lights, Christmas stuff to go shoot, let me know, put it in the comments, and I'll go check it out. Take care.